Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to be talking about the hybrid cloud pros and the cons. Hybrid cloud is a combination of public cloud and private cloud. Public clouds are hosted by cloud providers while private clouds are hosted on premises. Hybrid clouds offer the best of both worlds, providing the scalability and flexibility of the public cloud with the security and the control of the private cloud. In this video, I'm going to discuss the following. What is a hybrid cloud? The benefits of hybrid cloud, the challenges of the hybrid cloud, use cases of hybrid cloud, tips of implementing a hybrid cloud. What is a hybrid cloud? A hybrid cloud is a combination of a public cloud and a private cloud. Public clouds are hosted by cloud providers such as Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. Private clouds are hosted on premises in a business's own data center. Hybrid clouds allow organizations to deploy workloads in the most appropriate environment based on factors such as cost, security, and compliance. For example, an organization might run sensitive workloads in its private cloud and less sensitive workloads in the public cloud. Benefits of hybrid cloud. Benefits of hybrid cloud include scalability. Hybrid clouds can be scalable so you can easily add or remove resources as needed. This is ideal for businesses that experience seasonal fluctuation in demand. Flexibility. Hybrid clouds are flexible so you can choose the best environment for each workload. This can help you improve performance and reduce costs. Security. Hybrid clouds can help you to improve security by isolating sensitive workflows in your private cloud. Compliance. Hybrid clouds can help you to comply with industry regulations by providing secure environment for storing and processing sensitive data. Challenges of hybrid cloud. The challenges of hybrid cloud include complexity. Hybrid clouds can be complex to manage as you need to manage two different cloud environments. Cost. Hybrid clouds can be more expensive than public clouds as you need to maintain your own private cloud infrastructure. Security. Hybrid clouds can be challenging to secure as you need to ensure that the two cloud environments are properly integrated and that the data is transferred securely between them. Use cases of hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud is a good fit for a variety of use cases, including disaster recovery. Hybrid cloud can be used to implement a disaster recovery plan. For example, you can replicate your data to public cloud so that you can quickly restore your applications and data in the event of a disaster. Big data analytics. Hybrid cloud can be used to process large amounts of data. For example, you can store your data in a public cloud and use cloud-based analytics tools to process the data. Application development and testing. Hybrid cloud can be used to develop and test new applications. For example, you can develop and test your applications in the public cloud and then deploy them in your private cloud.